Sure, Thukzin, iPlan. Please catch me on the Uprising with the Felix Lope nominee.
He comes from south of Durban by way of Lamontville, a very, very, very talented DJ and a music producer. Is doing big things. Like I said, he's got a sold-out one-man show. It's a second installment. And he has another hit song out. He mesmerizes crowds every time he is out. He's got magic fingers. Who am I talking about? Dlala Thukzin. Tutuga. Oh, man. One of the best to ever do it. Thukzin.
Yes, sir.
Ugrani bafo?
Ngiyaphila njani bhuti?
Oh, that's a plus of person.
He's so humble.
Why is your mood so low? Look at us. Look at match our energy, man. Come on.
No, let's be honest. But he's always been that guy, very smooth. Keep it phambi kwabantu bese uyalibona iqiniso uthi ungambona ukuwa kanjani.
So before we start, Thukzin, you are so talented, my guy.
Yeah.
And I think lendele ethi Dlala Thukzin. Wonke umuntu it brings the demon out of you. It brings the wretchedness out of you. It's Dlala Thukzin. And it's been your signature. And it spreads across the country. Your energy is out there when you rock. How does it feel, bro, for a young guy who's unassuming, who just comes from a little township south of Durban?
I feel like yonke into iyasetshenzela, so ngaso sonke isikhathi uma sekwenzeka lento kade uphupha kade unamaphupho ayo nento okade uyisebenzela, I feel like now umuntu uyayitshela ukuthi iyona ke lento.
And then the song that we just played in Niga. I remember during the second wave of the pandemic, it was fire. It sent ripples across the country. In fact, izikapagela into other countries also. Or can you take us through the Lilakulu and how it was this year reincarnated by ICU Lelakege Manjanade Elisin Nige. It was sampled noma, you gave me a license to run with something that you had started. What's the story there?
Okay, originally vocal le ntombazana eculayo imnike ingoma ya Felix leyo ne.
Okay.
And then uThukzin wafika wenza remix yengoma ya Felix.
Okay.
And then umini uTyler wafika naye wenza remix yengoma ya Felix. So eyami remix neya Tyler remix.
Okay.
Of an original.
Makes sense now. It makes sense.
So, but do we feel some type of way, or we?
The battle of the weekend.
We need to know how to feel.
No, let's ask him. Wait. Are you and Tyler friends?
Not really, but Sirai.
Good to tell a God. Got to say, we let it slide. Got a high bunjalo.
You know, Felix, I've got a confession, right?
Yeah, go ahead.
And ngona ngisho nje futhi phambi kwakho uThukzin yazi ngangenza mfethu ngafika eclubini ngathi ngihamba nawe lapho ukhona phakathi angiyangisho etafuleni. That's how much your name is inamandla igama lakho. Ngahlala la ngifuna ukuhlala khona. And let's just say I got a bottle or two for free ngoba ngithe ngihamba nobani noDlala.
Wait, now njengamanje there's a craze. Yeah, but on TikTok, there's a challenge on Instagram. Khona icule lisha bethole keep like to plani. Yo, Leli is not
too
even
much.
Leli is not even 2 weeks old, and already people resonate with it.
Yo.
Ongitshele wena ubuhloseni khathi wenzakala leculo leli, or is lento yenzeka njengamanje, is it matching what you had envisaged?
Yeah, so music wami njengamanje no music engiplan ukukhipha most of wona ngifuna ukuba music wabantu okhuluma nabantu no music okhuluma ngezinto ezenzeka almost every day ebantwini. So ingoma engiyikhiphe before le project yamanje ngikhipha idanki bawo iyazisho yona nje ukuthi umuntu ubalekela impakamo la engakhona but uyabonga ngayo yonke into eyenzakalayo. So ingoma engizoyikhipha manje ngizama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ngiaccommodate abantu nezinto ezenzakalayo empilweni zabo.
Hey, it's
Alrighty then.
Okay,
we'll take a short commercial break, and when we come back, we're gonna take a listen to Leli Elisha Leli's iPlan. So mongazulizwe sondele emsakazo nakho njengamanje. It's coming up next. Dlala Thukzin. They say Dynamite comes in small packages. Man, this guy, the world is ready to receive Dlala Thukzin. Now, I think he's one of those talents that you're like, we love you. We've seen you grow. You've grown. It's okay. Farewell. Hamba uye Ibita. Hamba uya. No, we cannot. It's like Trevor Noah. We like, okay, you're funny, but we need to let you out the nest. You know what I mean? You belonged on a world stage. Dlala Thukzin, I'll tell you now, he's up there with the rest of them. Both David Keats, they got nothing on this guy.
Sure, come on.
Let me tell you, bro. Fast forward 3 years from now, the name mispronounced. Dlala Thukzin. Yeah.
I love that. Yes, earlier I was confessing about using igama lika Thukzin to get my way around KZN, and it worked. But that is true testament on how heavy your name is in njengamanje lesifundazwe and across the country. Awukhuluma iqiniso mfethu wenza ngani mhlambeni nama boys ngivela ngabona nami ngimsolid wenza ngani? What's your secret to success, dude?
Yeah, firstly you pray.
Come on.
Nento zakho nje fanele wenze sure izinto zakho zi right nje. Manje izinto zakho ke manje izinto zakho abantu bayazi ukuthi ngiqonda ukuthini.
Yes.
Into zakho fanele zibe clean. Yeah, bese kuba consistent ke nje into oyenzayo. But ungayiboxi at the same time.
Yeah.
Because hlezi kunezinto ezintsha ezifikayo. So zama lezo zinto ezintsha at the same time ungashift kakhulu kulane yakho.
Absolutely. I love that. Listen, you're the man of the moment this weekend. Usiphetha mahlombe. I'm sure you're so tired. We officially going there. Uthe wozani usimemile. It's a dance festival. You've got a heavy lineup. But you have to tell us why this event? Why you spizile? What's the thinking behind this? And it says amatikiti aphelile, so nenhliziyo zibuhlungu futhi.
So basically siqhamuke nento sinabafowethu uDoki nento weekend kahle Dlala Thukzin weekend, so obviously kumele kube nento esam groove phakathi at the same time kumele kube nento educational. So Friday it's a music conference whereby abantu laba asebenolwazi ngezinto ezenzakala ku-industry bazoshare lezo zinto nathi abantu abasakhula. Mina sengikhulile but and then Saturday obviously a dance festival.
Come on.
And then Sunday is sports day. So into ezama uku-encourage ebantwini ukuthi zonke lezi zinto zihambisana. Kufanele kube isikole, kube italente, kuleli talente lelikhona lo mangithi talent groove, obviously abantu ababucula, udansa, uDJ nani. At the same time khona ne-sport, zonke lezi zinto zihambisana, akufanele kube khona
okushiyanayo.
Yes.
Oh, I absolutely love that. Manje angikwazi mhlawumbe ngime gate mhlawumbe ngomgqibelo and then uzophuma umuntu ovele kuphuma ama-tickets awu-50 noma ngizobe ngimosha isikhathi sami.
Awuzami.
Nafika nje ngilokhu ngimngaphandle
khona into ezokucaphula.
Oh man, Dlala Thukzin, we are fully behind you, brother. We support you and we're wishing you all the best. As if you said, umcimbi wakho ungaba impumelelo kulempela sonto esiya kuyona, ingabe khona sigameko yonke into ihambe kahle. And also another thing I wanted to say to you as big brother is, my man, you are at the top. You sit at the pinnacle. Don't let any negativity or anyone that aims to bring you down through these social media utterances, don't allow them. You are the best. And Tina, we rally behind you. Like I said, you now belong on the world stage. You have a very beautiful story to tell. But for now, just focus on yourself and doing what you do. I'm glad you mentioned consistency as one of your secret tools or weapons to success. Stay there, stay in that lane. We'll support you, we'll defend you, and we also are going to shield you from all this negativity.
Brazo.
Iphuthe elincane nephuthe elikhulu kakhulu.
Hey, Tara.